Hey y'all, this is Dave from DeMom Smokes. It's about time for another good old shout out video and mail call.
It's another shout out and mail call from Dave DeMom.
I got Mike Montoya from Smoking Mary's Rack Barbecue. Thank you, Mike. He sent me a couple stickers with a little note in it. Thanks for the support on YouTube and being a friend. Hey, my pleasure, Mike. Anytime. You're a great guy. But his wife designed these stickers herself. Okay, Mike. Here you go, buddy. I'm going to slap you right above here, above Cajun Bandit. Tommy, over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, he's got a great channel, too. And he sent me this really nice card. Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Really nice card right there. And, of course, one of his stickers. I'm putting you right beside old Mike and above Cajun Bandit. I've got some more stickers that came along with a whole bunch of stuff from Lady Helen at Lady Likeables. Lady Likeables, here you go. Right by the thermometer, because you're hot, my lady. You know that. Here's another sticker from Lady Likeables. Let's see, where are we going to put this one? We're going to put this on the other side of the thermometer, right here, right above the donkey, Lady Helen from Lady Likeables. I've never had any Yorkshire pudding, so she sent me a box of Yorkshire pudding and pancake mix. I can make either the pudding rolls out of it or pancakes. So I'm looking forward to making that. And then this is something that I may have to develop a taste for. She said you either like it or you don't. It's called yeast extract. It's kind of like in a gel. It kind of has the consistency of molasses. She said you spread it on toast very thinly. And so I'm going to give it a try one morning and see what it tastes like. She sent me this beautiful tea towel. It has a lot to do with her, let's see, Yorkshire, which is where she lives in the UK. And this is pretty neat. I might just hang this up as a banner. This is great. My lady, thank you so much. Love you, girl. I appreciate all of these things. Okay, I got another one from Booger at Booger 500. She cooks a lot in the air fryer. She got a great channel. She sent me a little note. Thanks, Dave. Chin chin. That's what she always says on her channel. Chin chin, mon ami. She sent me a nice beer koozie. I will get a lot of use out of this. It says YouTube Booger 500 US on one side and Chin Chin on the other. Booger, thank you so much, sweetheart. I appreciate it. If y'all hadn't heard of these channels, check them out. They're great channels. Until next time, folks, remember, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. This is Dave DeBom. Cheers. Much love and happiness to y'all.